Section 1. Understanding LG subwoofer cutout issues. Experiencing your LG subwoofer cutting out? It's a common issue, often related to audio synchronization or wireless connection problems. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these disruptions, ensuring seamless audio. Main causes include connection instability due to interference, power management glitches from sleep mode, firmware bugs, or hardware issues. As of early 2026, despite firmware updates, some users around 15 to 20% still experience cutouts. The simplest solution is a soft reset. Unplug both your LG soundbar and subwoofer from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This resets the audio sync without losing any settings. This often resolves temporary glitches causing the cutouts. When a soft reset doesn't resolve the LG subwoofer cutting out issue, the next step is a factory reset. This restores the soundbar to its original default settings, clearing all pairings and custom configurations. To perform a factory reset, first access the soundbar's settings menu through its remote or on-screen display. Navigate to the Reset option and confirm to initiate the process. Alternatively, use the button combination. Hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the soundbar indicates a reset. Important, this factory reset will erase all custom settings, Bluetooth pairings, and audio configurations, so you'll need to repair devices and adjust preferences afterward. Wireless interference is a major culprit in subwoofer cutout issues. Ensure your subwoofer is within 10 to 15 meters of the soundbar and free from obstacles. Minimize interference from other devices like microwaves or cordless phones. Consider repositioning your subwoofer or soundbar to improve the wireless signal strength. For a more stable connection, switch to a wired option like optical or HDMI eARC. This bypasses wireless issues and provides a direct, reliable audio stream. In gaming setups, switching to HDMI eARC has reduced failure rates by 70%. Outdated firmware can cause sync problems in LG subwoofers. Download the LG SoundSync app to check for and install the latest firmware updates for your soundbar and subwoofer. The app also provides automated troubleshooting, scanning for errors, and applying fixes. LG released a patch in 2025 addressing mass disconnections reported by early adopters. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve LG subwoofer cutout issues, advanced steps can provide deeper solutions. LG's 2026 support documentation recommends proactive diagnostics through their dedicated app, which scans for connection problems and applies automatic fixes. Experts in consumer electronics point to cost-cutting measures on Bluetooth modules as a key contributor to these connectivity problems. This design choice affects signal stability, particularly in wireless subwoofer setups. According to LG's 2025 user survey of over 10,000 owners, 18% reported experiencing subwoofer drops at least once. Importantly, simple resets successfully resolved issues in 65% of these cases, highlighting the effectiveness of basic maintenance. For additional insights, explore online communities like the r/LG Audio subreddit, where users share real-world fixes and troubleshooting discussions based on their experiences. LG is moving towards AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent sync issues by analyzing usage patterns. Future models aim for 99% uptime through improved processors and error correction. Expect enhanced compatibility with smart home systems using protocols like Matter. By 2028, AI diagnostics could cut reported issues by 50%.